Just in time, understanding a common English phrase. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the meaning and use of the phrase, just in time. This phrase is widely used in everyday English and can be a bit confusing for language learners. So, let's dive in and understand it better. Just in time literally means arriving or happening at the exact moment it is needed. It implies that there is no delay and something occurs at the most opportune moment. For example, if you catch a bus just as it's leaving, you are arriving just in time. In everyday conversation, just in time is used in various contexts. It's often used to express relief that something happened before it was too late. For instance, I reached the station just in time to catch the train. This phrase can also be used in a professional context, such as in business or manufacturing, where it refers to a strategy for efficient inventory management. Here, just in time means receiving goods only as they are needed, reducing storage costs. It's important not to confuse just in time with on time or in time. On time means being exactly punctual, while in time suggests being early or with time to spare. Just in time specifically indicates arriving or occurring at the last possible moment. And that's all about the phrase, just in time. We hope this video has helped clarify its meaning and usage for you. Remember, understanding these common phrases can make a big difference in mastering English. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.